Okay, I can start talk in waiting the presentation, the images. What we are going to talk. One point important in the project, in the world of the project, is design. Design. What's meaning design in the world? Meanings project, but at the same time, the definition of design is correlated with an idea of quality in the project. Quality where? Mainly in the objects. No? And what we... thank you, Matteo. What we are, famous, like Italian in the world, is the design, especially the design of furniture. I started to design product a lot of years ago, and in this picture there is my master. The name was Ettore Sozzas, that is considered one of the most important designers of the story. I mean, in general, the story of the project, but the story of design and the furniture design. And this is one of the projects that Ettore designed in that years. And he is considered an icon, an object very well known. And also the group that Ettore founded, that is already very well known. If you go in internet, you can find also the story and the important objects that are, in circulation worldwide. I participate at this group. The name of the group was Memphis Milano, and this is one of the little banner that we put it in the objects. And this was my first object. It's an object that in a certain way contains my philosophy connected with the dynamicity, with an idea of fluidus, and really was the first object that I designed for Memphis, together with this table, trumeau in French. And this is another chair I designed in that year. After this first experience, it was really experimental, because the Memphis group was not a commercial group, but was a group of experimentation, where we tried to use materials, color, and also different shapes. I designed this first object that is an homage, mentioned the rationalism at the same time, but with this change of paradigm in the shapes, because the shapes are completely free and fluid, connected with an idea of arms, tree, natural. And I have this kind of evolution, working on this idea of dynamic shapes. And then I designed this object that is something more connected with an idea of market, because at a certain point was necessary also to look not only at the experimentation, but experimentation is necessary to find a new way, to find new products. But at the same time needs, as you say, to sacrifice something, especially in terms of commercial result. And I tried to put together the two necessity, the two elements that are, one is the artistic research, and the other one is to have a product that can afford the market. This is a project of very big success. I designed it in '89, 1989, and is already on the market, and it works very well. This is another collection in the similar philosophy that is on the market too. And these are objects more experimental. And these two, I designed this for Cassina, but was an extraordinary project, but we don't have such as on the market, on the commercialization, because perhaps was made with a very interesting producer. Cassina is very well known, but perhaps too experimental in a certain way. Now I don't have the time to explain the real research we did on this product, but was really a very, very light product and advanced for the time. Just to give a panorama of other product of design we do, I and my office, this is the last product we designed for a company called Snydero. That is one of the most important companies in the production of kitchens. And this is another recent product I designed with this company. The name is Livoni, that is presented here. And Livoni is specialized in production in chairs in wood. The wood is the material that really I consider the material of the future. Also, even is a product of the past, but at the same time, I think an important material for future. Just to see, we have here a product I designed for Guzzini. It's my first project for Guzzini in the 2000. It's a collection of spots. The first product was realized with standard lighting, and we will add an evolution in LED technologies in the course of the years. And now we are here because I had this meeting with this very, very interesting company. I feel in Felis, that is the name, a group of persons very advanced with ideas, with the volunteer to do this matching between research and market, and this meaning to have also a vision of what could happen, and also the courage to do objects that are not completely conventional, but looking also at an innovation in terms of technology of production, but also in terms of style and of material, of what is necessary to do a product, a new product, an innovative product. We worked very strong in the last 2 years to have this new product, and we call the product Float. And these are the words that we use to inspire this new product. The one is curved shapes. The other one is to have a biophilic designs. The other word is folds. And made in Italy, that is an important element that we have in our guideline when I design a product. This is one of the results. It's not all the collection, but was the first one object we prototype, and now we have an important collection that now we are here with Dr. Andrea Quaglia, that is part of the group that work on commercialization of all the product of Felis. Obviously, they don't produce only this float collection, but other collection, very interesting products in general. But we are here to talk about float, and I think it's your moment, Andrea, and you can start. Thank you so much.
I thank you, Massimo, Ghini. Hi. Well, Felis. Felis is a porcelain manufacturing company. Was born 33 years ago, and we produce not only sofa, but we have two different collections. Also sofa beds and beds, completed upholstered and all 100% made in Italy and 100% completed removable, the cover. What does mean? That is mean that we are a possibility, okay, to removable all the cover, regenerate it, and we have also the possibility to choose if today we want only one cover or another cover in our sofa. Here in Emirates, we are very pleased to present this icon sofa float. Float for us, thank you to Massimo Ghini, is a particularly line of porcelain furniture that is inspired by the movement of the seaways. The cooperation between Felis and architect Massimo Ghini was started 2 years ago. We have evaluated together a lot of projects, and we have concentrated on development of float collection. That today we have possibility to present sofa, armchairs, and some different solutions. Float is not for us just in design, but it's also in a holistic experience. We invite you all, okay, to check, to test, to prove directly in our stand this iconic float sofa. We have decided also to launch the float in the Venice. Venice is a city not too far from our company, because we was born, as I said, 33 years in Sicily, in the province of Pordenone, and is not too far from Venice. In fact,
sono Massimo Ghini, architetto e designer.
Welcome, Massimo.
Lavoro da diverso tempo nel mondo.
We should know that that since 14 years has also been linked to Sicily, our city, what is called the Garden of the Serenissima. So we have the launch of sofa float with Massimo Ghini, and we have decided to do this particular experience, if I can explain, Massimo, okay, this particularly city with history. Also,
Architetto
for
e
us,
designer,
float,
lavoro da
when
diverso
you sit down,
tempo nel
this is a
mondo
particular
dell'architettura e del
experience
design, con
to
progetti
floating,
che devono
okay,
coniugare
in this wave of the sea. Felis today represent a modern and a dynamic company in the continuous evolution, driven by the passion for design on the one hand, and by the constant research for technical improvement on the other. For us, soft living is our philosophy. Comfortable as a lifestyle, and the products is an experience. We looked, of course, the best solution to make every moment of our daily life special and comfortable. Design, innovation, and quality, 100% made in Italy. When I say 100% made in Italy, it's completed, okay? Also the material, the research, the fabrics. We have a big range of the various fabrics, more or less 500. And what can I say you? This is from the innovation and the quality is our success in 30 years of the company Felis. So I think that in short times I have explained what is Felis.
In the meantime, the video runs.
Yes, I have seen.
The presentation, the project we did was to have at the end of your speech the video, but they have already seen. I don't know if it's possible to see again, but in any case, we have already seen. I think we have some problem in the regia.
Yes, I think so. Sorry, but you can see here that Massimo floating on the float sofa on the boat in the Venice Sea.
Yes, because like you say, there is this connection between Felis, that is a company connected with the territory of Venice.
In the history.
And also the history and the artisticity of the city, because it's an approach. Okay, we can say this speaking about Italy in general, but Venice is one of the most important you see, treasure of architecture and design, no? And this gives us the idea to create an image, a video, connecting these two creativities between the company, the designer, but the company mainly, and his own territory, looking at the most important city of that area, and this gives us the possibility to clarify this concept, no? And looking these images, Venice, the water, the elements, what you told about this idea of wave in a certain way, we find a connection, formal connection, and also philosophical connection.
I thank you because float is an icon for us.
Architetto e designer, lavoro da diverso tempo nel mondo dell'architettura
guardiamoci questo video.
Yes, of
con
course.
progetti che devono
watch the
coniugare
video.
la sostenibilità e la bellezza. Insieme a Felis abbiamo lavorato e progettato questo nuovo prodotto che ha come caratteristica base quella di essere un prodotto con una forma attenuata e al tempo stesso con una grande ricchezza di materiali e anche una ricchezza di piegature. Su questo prodotto il ragionamento è stato fatto anche in relazione alla sua ambientabilità, quindi è un prodotto estremamente osmotico che si può inserire in qualsiasi contesto. Il disegno della forma di questo divano scaturisce da un'idea formale che non vuole essere eccessiva, ma questo segno, questa curvilineità, questa fluidità lo collega in qualche modo a delle morfologie naturali. La natura comunque rimane un riferimento. Questo luogo meraviglioso, questa terra ricca di qualità di arte, di storia e di design, potesse essere un contesto da cui poi fa scaturire questo prodotto che mi auguro possa esprimere questa ispirazione che ci ha guidato fin dall'inizio.
Thanks a lot for floating Massimo.
Grazie, thank you very much, grazie a tutti.